Hey, what's up, guys? So it's been a little while. As I mentioned before, my son was born back in November, and since then I've been here at home just on paternity leave, taking a break, and my wife and I have been spending time here, with our baby. Our daughter, she's been doing great as well. She's a toddler now, so she's been doing well, kind of adapting and adjusting. My wife and I are still pretty tired. We're not on full zombie mode anymore. Sleep is starting to get a little bit better. But we're not exactly firing on all cylinders or anything by any means. I actually tried to shoot this video yesterday, and I was so tired I didn't even have the energy to like sit in front of the camera and do this. And so, feeling a little bit better today, but still tired. Either way, in this video, I wanted to give you guys kind of a quick update as far as things that I've been working on since past 2.5 months ago. Obviously, not a ton. There are a couple things, including testing some unreleased detectors that I can now talk about. So we'll talk about that here in this video. And I also want to talk about things you can expect here on this channel. So kind of upcoming videos, upcoming reviews, things I want to work on, some things that are a little bit different than what I was doing before, and basically just kind of give you an idea on what to expect on the future as well. So obviously for the past little while, we've been focused on family, which has been great, right? Spending time with family, on kids, newborns, all that kind of stuff. But without getting too much into that, as far as countermeasures, in my wife's car, I actually upgraded her car. She was running a single channel only dash cam, and so I upgraded to a 2-channel front and rear. It was kind of nice just to have some sense of normalcy, something to do kind of related to this, in addition to just baby, baby, baby all the time. So that was actually really nice. I've also been dailying the, Uniden R8. I've had this detector for a while. It was just announced publicly at CES recently, and so I posted some information on my website, on social media, on the forums. I'll link to that information in the video description if you'd like to learn a little bit more about the detector. And I've still got more testing, like traditional testing to do with the detector, things like your long-range testing, spectra testing, etc., before I'm ready to publish the full review with the detector. But once it's ready, especially as we start getting closer to launch, the detector is available for pre-order. I'll make sure that I've got videos and information and reviews and all that stuff available for you guys. There's also been some detectors that have been updated while I was gone, things like the Rodenso DS1, updated to firmware 1.07, so added new features, changed some things, and so I updated the settings guide, the tutorial on my website. But overall, I haven't been focused on tests and comparison and reviews for obvious reasons. However, over the past couple weeks or so, I've been spending quite a bit of time in self-reflection, just kind of thinking about all of this in general, my channel, the radar detector industry, how I do reviews and comparisons and all that kind of stuff, recommendations. I've been thinking a lot about the channel, things that I like, making videos, working on reviews and stuff, and how can I do more of it, especially dash cams. I feel like I didn't get enough of that done last year. I definitely want to do more of it this year. I've also been thinking about things that I don't like, that I want to figure out how can I fix it, how can I change it, how can I maybe let it go. So things like dealing with trolls or arguments and drama and that kind of nonsense, it's like, it's a waste of time. I want to focus on the stuff that I love. How can I give you guys as much as possible? How can I make sure that I'm staying happy? I've got energy. I'm enjoying it. That's really important, especially as a long-term thing. So I want to really focus on the stuff that's the most awesome, that I enjoy, that's the most helpful for you guys. Of course, with new detectors that are coming out, I got to update all my recommendations. Same thing for dash cams. I also want to focus on how I can simplify a lot of the content. I go into a lot of detail and information, and I'm trying to figure out how I can get this stuff done faster. I'm thinking about that a lot. I've been trying to figure it out for a while. Still don't actually know how to do it, but I really want to continue to improve it. One thing that I was thinking was, if you guys remember 5-Minute Fridays, that was really fun. Just, every Friday I do like a 5-ish minute video on just one topic, kind of short and sweet, and it was really nice. I actually stopped doing that because even those short videos took way too much time, especially the editing process, and it cut too much into like the main content that I wanted to do, and that was the reason I stopped it. And I still would love to cover just like short topics like that, but I'm thinking let's just do it with little to no editing, minimal B-roll, just sit in front of a camera and talk for a few minutes, cover a topic, that way I can get more stuff coming out without putting so much time and energy into each individual video. So kind of speeding the process up. So that's one idea that I had, for example. I think that could be kind of cool. There's also videos on different topics that I want to do, things that people are wondering about a lot that I think are great topics. Things like Vortex. Are you paid by manufacturers? Are you sponsored? No. But it's an important question, and I really want to make sure that I address it directly. I've covered it before in the past, and I think it's good time to do kind of an updated version of that and give you guys some information on exactly how that works and what this is like and what it's not like. And so there's a lot of stuff that I want to do in addition to just the tests and reviews and tutorials and the main stuff that I like to focus on. I want to focus on some of the big picture stuff that I've been thinking about as well. I know I've been posting about some of that on the forums, just kind of things that I've been thinking about. And I definitely want to do some videos talking about, well, not just the tests and the reviews, but just kind of radar detectors in general. I've been thinking about that a lot, so I definitely want to focus on that as well. And so Yeah, there's a lot I want to do. I'm excited to start getting back into this. I love this stuff. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, I really, really enjoy this. At the same time, I'm still just kind of exhausted all the time. I'm getting better about it, starting to get a little bit more energy bit by bit. I think I might actually start by doing more written content. That's a lot easier to do, especially when you're tired or like I misspeak all the time just because my brain is full of cobwebs right now. And so I'm making a lot more mistakes, and it's easier to maybe just do written stuff. And so I'm going to start easing back into it. I'm not at 100% yet by any means, but I'm sure as time goes on, it'll get better and better, and I'll get back up to speed here. And so anyway, it's just an update as far as how things have been going the past couple months, and some ideas as far as what I'd like to get into over the next couple weeks and the next couple months as well. And so, yeah, good to see you guys. Good to be back. Looking forward to doing more videos. Looking forward to getting back into the swing of things. You know, again, this is fun. I love this stuff, and I love creating fun content here for you guys. And so, yeah, hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you in the next video. Haven't said that in a while, so cool.